My name is Kevin. I'm from the Bronx.
My name is Rivka. I'm from Muncie, New York.
My name's Dimitri Miller. I'm from Rhode Island, New Jersey.
What I liked most about the retreat was it basically introduced me to like a whole new world of people and knowledge that can be used to heal. People who display a lot of kindness, who are always working to better themselves, better the world around them.
What I liked most about the retreat was the togetherness, the gardening. That was really cool.
There was quite a few things I liked about the retreat. I liked that it helped me get out of my comfort zone, meet new people, experience new things, help me towards my better self and teamwork and all the amazing things that we could do as human beings.
What I found out about myself through the retreat was that I have a lot more strength and courage than I give myself credit for on a daily basis. And that no matter how challenging something might seem for me, that taking that first step and choosing to keep taking steps is the most important thing on my path.
Throughout the retreat, I felt as though I learned much about myself. Mostly that I have been impatient in my life. I have had self-doubt, and the retreat really, some of the exercises throughout the retreat allowed me to realize those things about myself and approach those negative things in a more positive fashion.
Throughout the retreat, I learned some things about myself. My thoughts get in the way of myself all the time, and I have the power to let go of my thoughts, to just be okay with existing, to embrace the moment, to be a part of a whole, to contribute to the whole, to help others, allow others to help me. Never in a million years thought I would have done something like that. I did a lot of physical things, which is hard for me. I was really pushed a lot out of my comfort zone. And I realized that I gotta stop limiting myself and being afraid. That I can do a lot more than I think, that I can learn a lot more than I think, that I can absorb a lot more than I know, and I can heal a lot more.
Over the course of the weekend, I had a lot of insights. Accept others as they are, and that's very important, especially since many people are striving towards self-acceptance. To be in a place where everyone's concerned with their growth and encouraging the growth of others is a very sacred space to be in.